Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you're liked and subscribed. Also, make sure that you're in my X and my Telegram, because in my Telegram, guys, I have some codes that I'm giving away. You're going to get $50 in Mobi, and then you get a $100 deposit bonus sign up when you deposit Solana and start trading on the app. Guys, I've been talking about this app a lot. This app is really good for spotting runners and finding the coins with the whales and the bid support, okay? If you follow the whales, you're going to follow the money, and ultimately you're going to be making a lot more money with your trading, okay? Now, in today's video, I want to be talking about this coin, Titcoin. Okay, now this coin, there was a version last year and it ran up to 70 mil, and there was a lot of drama and fallout. And so now they've come out with V2, and there's a really good thread here that I think you guys should all read if you're serious about investing into this project. Okay, and this guy right here, Warren, he's a really good account. He follows me, and he is saying, just got off a strategic and very serious call with Slingaroo, posting this for transparency. We're focused on getting the structure in place over the next couple of days to make sure that Send Titcoin V2 is equipped to be functional as possible without him as the lead, but more as a chairman. And if you didn't know, most of you didn't, I was a Titcoin OG of V1 and was in from 250K along the entire run up to 35 mil or so, but then lost interest. Once Jane Wynn's drama occurred, the subsequent leg up to 70 mil. So the previous version, guys, ran up to 70 mil, and it wasn't really organized very well as far as the team goes and whatnot. And you can see right here, he says, I've been trying to justify buying and holding the OG, but for more than that one reason, it's been impossible to. The X account has been abandoned. There's no team structure in place, unrecognizable supply makeup. Radium is obsolete. It's got a horrible chart and a history of tragedy. He says, V2 shall be the story of triumph. Overall, we're in the process of building out an unquestionably trustworthy team full of OGs from Titcoin V1 to make sure that everything is situated for growth. He says, I right now am the working lead managing the X account and logistics, but obviously scaling responsibilities in real time is top priority. Getting the next steps executed, such as Jupiter Express verification, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, as well as making the supply and creator reward system optimized and transparent, amongst everything else required. I personally believe that if we can donate at least 25% to breast cancer fighters research and creator fees, maybe even 50%, that would make all the trading much more worthwhile from a positive externalist perspective. Not rushing anything, no premature jack on a set of double Ds, and I'm not gooning until everything is squared away and operating like a French orchestra. With that being said, there is a group chat for general holders here. Whales holding 1 to 2%, feel free to reach out as well as the holders of V1. And please make sure your thoughts, feedbacks are in the X community. Anyone can reach out to me privately as well as here on Telegram. It's always Bounce, Warren, and PS, if anyone has any general questions related to the Titcoin, please reply, thank you below. Yeah, so guys, that's really, really good. That's really promising. I'm not just like trying to shill a coin saying, oh guys, just buy this coin. I like to buy into coins, with size, that are good projects, and they tend to do very well. I sized into Black Whale. I told you guys about it, under $1 million market cap. It ran to 8 million. So if you would have put on size, you could have turned 1K into $8,000 in that trade alone. So yeah, I really like what they're doing with this coin, the V2, and I'm gonna be promoting this as well. So yeah, very, very cool coin, guys. It has a really good cause, donating the creator rewards to the breast cancer. I think that's awesome, and it's just getting started, guys. It's just getting started. Most of these coins, once they run up to a mil plus, those are pretty much generally a safer entry. I'm not saying like 100%, nothing's 100%, but yeah, if we go over the chart, let me show you really fast. I'll pull this up right here. So you can see they have Buttcoin. Buttcoin already ran up to 20 mil. I told you guys about that one. They have Bitcoin. Titcoin. This one is, it's just correcting, guys. It's just doing a little correction here. It went up yesterday all the way up to 2 mil. And now it's just cooling off, getting ready for the next leg. So right now would be a good place to, maybe pick up a bag. I'm not saying buying right at the second, but you could play some limit orders, or you could just hop in using the Mobi app right now. You see it's already dipped down 62%. It might come back down a little bit more just because this thing ran up so high and it was so heated on day one. So yeah, very exciting about this coin, guys. Definitely going to be adding this to my list and to my portfolio. And yeah, guys, if you were in the Katana Strike, we got in way, way low, guys. We got way low, like, under 100K. So yeah, no-brainer, guys. This is a no-brainer trade. I think it's going to go very well. It looks like it's forming a really, really good team, and they're making things right out the gate. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you're struggling with meme coins, you haven't hit a life-changing trade yet, or you're just tired of losing money continually every day and it's just getting really old and you really want to start making money, check out Katana Strike, guys. Fill out the form, fill out the onboarding form below. Also, check all the links below, guys. I highly recommend that you guys set up with Mobi because you are going to be getting some free crypto with that you can cash out over time. All right, so that's pretty much it. Signing off from a tropical paradise, and I will see you guys in the next video.